Hi, my name is Craig Stevens, and we put together this training for new supervisors, well, for supervisors in general and new managers. And so during this training, we're going to talk about all the things you need to know related to leadership, culture, customer focus, anything related to dealing with people, soft skills for people. We're looking at building core competencies, looking at the processes and systems and how to improve them, and also performance measures. So this first module that we're going to talk about is all about leadership. So how do you create excellent leadership? And we're just going to touch the surface. These trainings are put together in different levels. This is the yellow belt level. The white belt is just kind of an executive summary. Yellow belt is just getting started for people who are just getting started in leadership or have maybe been supervisors for a while, but never really had formal training. And the next belt up is it just keeps increasing. We go in a little more detail each time. So let's get started. Hope you have fun.